สบายดี Welcome to Lao 101 channel, the channel that will help you learn Lao by yourself. This week's lesson is about numbers and counting in Lao. Just before we begin the lesson, I just would like to let you know that in January this month, every weekend, I will start the Lao 101 class. This is a trial lesson that I will provide you any questions that you may have about Lao language. And then you are also welcome to provide the content on any topic that you are interested, whether it's a theme, topic, conversation, and you can provide me with 10 sentences and then sending me through this email. And you can also register your interest for Lao 101 class through this link here. I will put the link in the description so you can find the information later. So if you're new to our channel, please make sure that if you like our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any new lesson that we uploaded. So let's begin with number 1. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 Now let's count again together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Let's count by 10 now. So for every 21 or 31, you always say 18, 28, 31, 41, 58, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101. Only at 101 here that you said 100. 100 is 100, and then you begin with 1. So 102 means 102, 103, 104. Okay, let's count by 10 in 10 row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is 100. So for ordinal number, the word ordinal in Lao, it depends on the context. So we have different words for the context of ordinal number. For example, if you're gonna categorize it by order, you can say ลำดับที่ order number 1. You just say this word ลำดับที่ 1, order number 1. ลำดับที่ 2, order number 2. ลำดับที่ 3, order number 3. But then the ranking, if you said use the ordinal number in terms of the level, the word that you would say is going to be ระดับ ระดับ it means level, and then ระดับที่ ระดับที่หนึ่ง ระดับที่สอง for example the Lao class level 1 level 2 ระดับที่หนึ่ง ระดับที่สอง ระดับที่สาม ระดับที่สี่ or if you're just gonna say about the ranking, you just put the word T in front of it, ที่หนึ่ง ที่สอง ที่สาม ที่สี่ ที่ห้า ที่หก and just follow by the number whatever the rank that you would say. And also for the first rank, usually we have this word here, it ทำอิฐ it means first, so you can say ลำดับทำอิฐ ระดับทำอิฐ or ที่ทำอิฐ ที่ทำอิฐ yes. And then for the last, you can have this word here สุดท้าย สุดท้าย ลำดับสุดท้าย ระดับสุดท้าย ที่สุดท้าย it means by context whatever it is, whether it's by level, by order or by ranking. Okay, let's move on to the bigger number here. 100 200 200 300 400 500. So you can notice here 100 is 100. 600 700 800 900 1,000 1,000 here means 1,000. Okay, here 100 1,000 10,000 10,000, or we also have to use the word 10,000 10,000 means for 10,000. 10,000 20,000 30,000 40,000 50,000 100,000 for 100,000, 100,000 for 100,000, ล้าน for million 1 ล้าน 2 ล้าน 3 ล้าน 4 ล้าน 5 ล้าน 10 ล้าน so 10 million. So from here, from to 100 million, you can also say 100, 100 and then million, 100 and million, just pretty much similar to English. 1,000 ล้าน 1,000 million, so it's 1 billion here. 1 ตื้อ okay, we can also say 1 ตื้อ. So now let's do the exercise. I will just point out the number and read it in loud for you. I leave the white space here just for you to do the exercise in case you want to fill up and practice by yourself. So let's begin with number 121. 121 121 496 496 496 807 807 901 901 113 113 428 428. Let's move to 1,000 here. 1,000 พัน 1,351 1,351 4,908 4,908 5,987 5,987 20,500 20,500 20,500 10,500 10,500 146,000 146,000 146,000 1 ล้าน 1 ล้าน 900,000 1 ล้าน 900,000 3 ล้าน 894,000 3 ล้าน 894,000 55 ล้าน 904,000 55 ล้าน 904,000 20,000 oh no sorry 20,528,000 20,528,000 88,269,500 88,269,500 180,000,000 180,000,000 900,000,000 800,000 900,000,000 800,000 1,500,000 no sorry bigger number I get confused too. We usually say this word here 1.5 ตื้อ so it's 1.5 billion 1 จุด means point or comma 1.5 ตื้อ 1.5 billion so this word here 1,500 ล้าน 1,500 ล้าน or you can say 1,500 million 1,500 ล้าน 1.5 ตื้อThat's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching and please leave us any comment if you want to have any other Lao lesson or you can also contribute the content to our channel to match the need of what you want to learn in Lao. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.